Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a new image in Hostinger website builder. I will also show you how to add or how to design the image and give it this rounded corners. I will also show you how to add overlay opacity like this. This is the original. This is with opacity, and also how to add or how to apply this shape and multiple shapes like this on your photos. I will also show you that how to add the action of preview an image when you click on it. You will also see how to add a link to the photo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log in to your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Now, next to the website that you want to add your image or photo on, click on Edit Website. And this is my website in Hostinger Website Builder. So to add an image, let's say that I want to add an image here below License to Live. So first, click on Elements. This window slides in. Look for the image elements. This is it. And drag and drop it like this, and then you can place it where you want to add your photo. For example, here let's remove those elements or this element like this. Now select the image this default image, click on Edit Image and click on Replace, and then you will see your media library. First, you can upload your photo from your computer, so click on Upload Files button. Then locate the photo on your computer and double click it. First, it will be uploaded to your media library, and to add it to your website page, just click on Select on top of it. And just like this, your photo will be added to your page. Now let's see how to add a free photo or free image provided by a free images service called Pixels. Same thing, select the photo first, click on Edit Image, click on Replace, and here instead of uploading a file, click on Free Images. And just like this, you can search for free photos. Let's search for nature. And just like this, pick a photo like this and click on Add to Page. And almost instantly, it will be added here. Here, a small detail that you can also, that I can show you on this video is that to optimize your photo on Google Images, here you can add or describe this photo here in below the alternative text or alt text. Use alt text to describe the image and help search engines understand your page content better. This is just a little trick. Okay, let's check the style. Okay, let's see how to edit your images on Hostinger Website Builder. First, you can reset image proportions. For example, if your image is edited like this, my bad, you can click on Style, Reset Image Proportions. I think it was not clear, so let's see that your image was edited this way. If you click on Reset Image Proportions, it returns to its original dimensions. Okay, also you can edit the corner radius like this. As you see, now the corner is rounded instead of the original square. You can also edit the overlay opacity, and also from the action you can add a link. When someone clicks on the photo, you can do nothing, open full screen preview, and also open a link. So I will go with open full link preview. Okay, instead of this, I will make multiple photos. So at the end of this video, I will have an intro. So I will duplicate this one like this. Or instead of this, I will duplicate this one. To duplicate a photo, it's simple. Click on it and hit duplicate. Like this. And let's add the last one here. Now it's good. First, I will show you how to edit the corner radius like this. And on the second one, I will show you that you can edit the overlay opacity. And also, and on this third one, the action is already open full screen preview. And for the shape, let's undo this action. My bad. Okay, the first one. Sometimes this undo action undo more that you want. So okay, let's return corner radius. This one overlay, I will edit the overlay opacity like this. And on the third one, I will add a shape like this. Okay. And of course, let's view those new added images live. Let's view my new images. And this is how they look like. The first one has corner radius. The second one shows the overlay opacity. And the third one, it uses this shape. And if you click on an image, it automatically opens up the preview. Where is the preview? It takes a little bit of time. Okay, and this is how to add a new image on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.